How do you treat people? Do you treat them as trash? Do you treat them as good for nothing? Do you degrade them because you claim you are rich whilst they are poor? Or you feel you are smarter and knows all than them? But have you forgotten the word kindness? Don't worry, just relax. I'm here to tell you what kindness is. So let's get into the video. Kindness is possessing the quality of being generous and friendly or concerned for others without expecting any praise or reward. A.D. Williams once said, "Imagine what 7 billion humans could accomplish if we loved and respect one another." So I want to tell you that treat everyone with the same level of kindness that you will love for yourself. Don't think this person is good for nothing, so, oh no, this person is not my class. Look, you don't know what the future holds. Somebody you see today that you are saying is not your class is going to be higher than you someday. So just show love to people. Just be kind to others so that one day they will see that and also be kind to you. It doesn't matter. It's not always you being kind to your relatives or your friends. Anybody at all, even if you don't know the person, show love to that person. Be kind to that person. After all, in this world, if you are not kind to someone, what do you gain? Nothing. Because God is kind to us. So let us be kind to someone too. Just to lift people up. Set an example of kindness and integrity. No matter how rich you are or you believe you are, be kind. Because we are all humans, and the same blood that flows in you flows in that person too. So don't think you are so superior than anyone. That is why you should know that one hand washes the other. Nobody in this world is good for nothing. Maybe the person doesn't have money. Maybe the person is poor, is wretched, but still he or she has something to add to you, the one saying you are richer than them or you are richer than him or her. So be kind. Love people. Treat people as the way you want people to treat you. You feel you are treating this person badly. You are treating this person badly today. Don't forget, tomorrow is there. Because everything you do in this world, it comes back to you. So be kind. Love people. Care for people. If you don't have, it's understandable. It's not always it's money that you give to someone that shows that you are kind. A little help, even advice that you give to someone, is a sign of being kind, because you are trying to lift that person up. You are not that person who is there to drag him or her down. Let us know that the little kindness you have when you give to someone will change that person's life completely. Don't be selfish. If you can't be able to do it, it's understandable. But you can be able to, but you don't want to do it. That is selfishness. Don't be. I want to tell you that kindness is the greatest gift you can have. It's the greatest gift in this world. So stop the greed. Stop the hate. Stop the envy. Stop the jealousy. And be kind. And be kind to others, because you don't know what the future holds. The present alone does not matter in this case. Show love. Even if you've been kind to someone before and the person has turned you down, the person have not realized that shouldn't discourage you. That shouldn't make you feel that, no, I can't be kind to anyone again. It's true that situations will make you to change who you are, but that shouldn't make you to change from being kind, because kindness is a great reward. It's a great gift that we have. It's a great gift. So don't let anybody attitude, what you've done for someone, the person have not realized it, change you from helping others, from being kind to others. Thank you for watching this video, and please kindly subscribe to this channel. It's very important. I think I should just give you a second to do that. Thank you! And also don't forget to like, comment, and share this video for someone also to learn, because we are all learning. And know that one hand washes the other. I love you all.